Hey guys, welcome back to another Sorted George Garage with me, Julian. Just a real quick one for you. Small block Mopar rear seal orientation. Here we go. Right, so small block Mopar crank seal. Okay, this is said seal that I have. It's still got the wings on either side, which will go in number 5 main bearing cap. Okay, right, the orientation of it. If you can see there, okay, let me see if I can turn the old torch on and see if that makes a difference. There you go. Right, you see those diagonal lines, all right? That is the actual seal that the crank is going to ride upon, all right? So if I put that like so, this would be the part that faces the front of the engine, and this is the part that faces the back, okay? So if I turn it like so, you might be able to see the difference, all right? So that lip, okay, goes to the front of the engine, even though it's in the back. Right, so when it comes to installing this, bear in mind this is a small block Mopar, not a big block, okay? So, on number 5, it is a nice big chunky cap, all right? Now, you've got this groove here on both sides, all right? Which takes this little one here, all right? Now, that's going to sit in there. I ain't going to do it yet because I ain't ready, but that's going to sit in there like so, okay? So you're going to have mating edge there, mating edge there, all right? Now that's fine. However, with the big blocks, what they tend to do, they put that end down by about 3/8 of an inch, something daft like that, and then that end sticks up 3/8 of an inch. That way then, when they meet together, okay, those mating surfaces are below these mating surfaces, okay? That way then you're not going to get a leak, blah blah blah. However, because I have those bat wings on the cap seal side, I'm not going to cut anything. I'm not going to trim this off because at the end of the day, that's what it's for. It's still molded that way. If it wasn't molded on there, then it won't matter, but it is, so I'm going to use it, so I'm not going to go and rotate it that 1/8 of an inch, as it were. All right, yeah, I've hunted high and low for that. That is the orientation of the seal. It's easier to do a quick video for you rather than you guys hunting through the internet like I had to. I hope that was a help to you guys. See you on the next one. Banging.